Hi everyone! In this particular movie, we are gonna look at the vocabulary you will be working on when you are in your process writing. And the vocabulary is feelings. And we all have different feelings. And when we speak our native language, we are better at expressing ourselves because sometimes when we're sad, we're really just depressed or we are really just lonely, but in a different language we don't know all the words, so it's hard to be precise or express yourself correctly. And that is the reason why we're working on this vocabulary. And the knowledge promotion curriculum goal is to understand and use a general vocabulary attached to different subjects. And from that, I have made the learning specific goal for you in this task to be able to use at least 10 specific words when describing your feelings, and be more specific and to express yourself correctly. So we can look shortly at this wheel, kind of, where we have 6 feelings in the middle: fear, anger, disgust, sad, happy, surprise. And from that, you can see how they get more and more specific. Like, if you're joyful, are you really liberated? You're feeling free, or you're ecstatic, super happy? And if you're feeling disgust for someone, are you just, you loathe them, like you can't stand them? Or are you, when you're avoiding someone, are you being hesitant, like I don't really know? Or with the fear, when you feel humiliated, are you really just feeling disrespected? Because to be able to express these things are so important when we speak to different people. I'm not gonna explain all the words, but if you want to look at them more specific, you can just pause me. This is the surprise column. This is the anger column. This is the disgust column. This is the happy column, and we have the fear column here and the sad column. I must say that there are also more words describing feelings than these particular ones, but these are the ones I want you to be using, at least 10 of, when you are writing your text. And just a tip, you can change the word class because all the words in this wheel or these pictures are not in adjective form or nouns or verbs, but a lot of the words you can change up if you change the endings. I have 2 examples here where she was interested in him and he was interesting. And then you have the worry one. Don't worry, he told him. He knew he was worrying without reason. He realized how worried he was. So if you have any questions, ask me. If you and try it out. You will get the feedback from me on the texts, and then we can see whether or not it's the right ending or if it makes sense to change that word. But be creative at this point. Just get a lot of feelings going, get them explained, and good luck!